Hey there, content creators, marketers, and AI enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary AI tool that's been turning heads across the content creation world, Grok 2. Whether you're looking to step up your blog game, enhance your social media presence, or create content that ranks high on search engines, this video is for you. And trust me, Grok 2 has some amazing surprises in store, including real-time data access and a sense of humor. Yes, you heard that right. So stick around as we explore how Grok 2 stacks up against some of the leading AI models and how you can make the most of this groundbreaking tool. Welcome back to our channel, AI Finds. Today we have some exciting news from the world of AI and about Grok 2. So, what exactly is Grok 2? Created by x.ai, Grok 2 is an advanced AI tool designed to push the boundaries of content creation. It takes the best of artificial intelligence, combines it with real-time data access, and even adds a dash of humor to make interactions feel more human. Unlike some AI tools that give you standard, robotic responses, Grok 2's tone is engaging and often lighthearted, which can be a game changer for those of us trying to create content that truly resonates with our audience. It's not just about writing copy. Grok 2 has been developed to optimize your content for the modern internet landscape. Whether it's SEO-driven articles, snappy social media posts, or in-depth blogs, Grok 2 is here to assist you with ease. Now you're probably wondering, how does Grok 2 compare to other AI content generators like Claude or ChatGPT? Well, let's break it down. When it comes to raw content generation, Grok 2 stands out for its unique blend of creativity and real-time insights. Unlike ChatGPT, which leans heavily on training data that might be a bit dated, Grok 2's ability to pull real-time data is a massive advantage. Imagine being able to craft blog posts or social media updates that reflect up-to-the-minute trends or news. That's a powerful feature for anyone working in fast-moving industries like tech, finance, or entertainment. Against competitors like Claude, Grok 2 also shines in its ability to add flair to its copy, especially when humor or a more conversational tone is needed. While other models can sometimes feel rigid, Grok 2 is both versatile and fun. But it's not all just about personality. Let's talk about the features that make Grok 2 a serious content powerhouse. So what can Grok 2 actually do? One of Grok 2's biggest strengths is its ability to generate engaging content across a wide range of formats. Need a blog post on the latest industry trends? Done. Want to boost your social media game? Grok 2's got you covered. And the best part is, it's all optimized for SEO, helping your content rank higher on search engines. One of the standout features of Grok 2 is its ability to generate images based on user prompts. This is made possible through its integration with Black Forest Labs' Flux.1 model, which allows users to create visually striking images tailored to their needs. This capability opens up new creative avenues for applications in advertising, entertainment, and education. Grok 2 introduces two distinct interaction modes, Fun Mode and Regular Mode. Fun Mode adopts a humorous personality for more entertaining interactions, while Regular Mode focuses on delivering accurate and informative responses. This flexibility allows users to choose their preferred interaction style based on their needs. Grok 2 uses advanced keyword analysis to ensure your content not only reads well, but also gets seen. It structures your articles for readability and engagement, ensuring that you're hitting those all-important SEO targets. And it doesn't stop at static content. Grok 2 can even suggest interactive elements, like quizzes or polls, to make your blog posts or social media updates more engaging. This can drive higher interaction and keep your audience coming back for more. Okay, so how can you use Grok 2 in your everyday content creation? First, let's talk about content ideation. Grok 2 is amazing at helping you brainstorm fresh ideas. It can analyze current trends and audience interests, giving you a leg up on creating content that people actually want to read or engage with. One of the most exciting features is its real-time data access. Imagine needing up-to-date info for a news article or social media post. Grok 2 pulls that data in seconds, making your content both timely and relevant. And if that wasn't enough, Grok 2's personalization techniques allow it to tailor content based on user behavior. This means your content becomes more targeted, improving user experience and increasing conversion rates. Now let's talk about how to get the best out of Grok 2. Effective prompting is key to unlocking Grok's full potential. When creating prompts, be specific about what you want. For example, instead of saying write a blog post, you could ask, write a 500-word blog post on the latest e-commerce trends, incorporating 3 SEO keywords. This will help Grok to generate more refined, targeted content. And don't forget to follow up with clarifying questions. If the first draft isn't perfect, you can tweak your prompts to refine the results. Grok 2 learns and adapts based on your inputs, making it more effective the more you use it. But you don't just have to take my word for it. Here are a few success stories from Grok 2 users. From small businesses looking to enhance their SEO game to large content agencies needing efficient, creative solutions, Grok 2 has proven to be a game changer. In tests comparing Grok 2 to other models, it consistently scored higher in creativity and real-time accuracy, particularly when handling time-sensitive content like news or trends. So, what's next for AI and content creation? Grok 2 already feels like the future, with its unique combination of real-time data, humor, and creative versatility. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more advancements that will make tools like Grok 2 smarter, faster, and even more intuitive. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or someone just starting out, Grok 2 can help you level up your game. So what are you waiting for? Give Grok 2 a try and let us know in the comments what you think. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest AI news.